What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and today is my birthday. So today I turned 27. It is September 13. Shout out to the Virgos out here. It's Virgo season, even though people hate us, but we're needed 100%. But I just came from getting a relaxing massage and facial, and I also stopped at Ulta to pick up the CeraVe healing ointment so that I can use when I use my tretinoin. That's what the lady recommended for me to use if the moisturizing cream is not moisturizing enough, to use the healing ointment. So I picked that up, and a brow lift from e.l.f. so I could get like that soap brow look. But I'm about to edit a vlog of me going to Epcot, which you guys will see before this video. And then later on, I'm going to get tacos with my cousin. So I'm going to take y'all along with me, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to wear. Of course, for my hair, I'm just going to put it back in a slick back bun, do my makeup, but I'm not going to do a full face of makeup. I'm just going to do like a tinted moisturizer that I got from Lancome, which is in that Sephora bag, but I'll show y'all later. But yeah. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. So this is the tinted moisturizer that I picked up. It's a Skin Feels Good tinted moisturizer with a healthy glow from Lancome. And this is in the shade 12W Amber. Then here's the healing ointment that I picked up from CeraVe, the brow lift from e.l.f. and then I also picked up some glosses from Remedy by Ari and a lip pencil. This one is Pink Matter. It's like a nice pinky color, and this one's like a nice brownish color, and this one is Warm Kiss. So these are the latest things that I have picked up. So I'm gonna show y'all the two dresses that I purchased from this Instagram style boutique. It's called Steps New York. They're located in Florida Mall, but they do have an online, and the store is stepsnewyork.com. so I'll leave the website for y'all in my description box. And the two dresses that I have, got this white dress. This is the one that I'm gonna wear tonight. So this is the white dress. Of course, I'm gonna wear my shapewear underneath it because it looks a little see-through, and I'm gonna wear it with this bag that I got from Forever 21. And then I'm going to wear the sandals that I purchased a while ago that I have never worn before because I was waiting for the right time to wear it. And what better time to wear it than today? It's my birthday, and I didn't want to wear no heels because we have to walk into the restaurant that we're going to. So it's located in the Pointe, Orlando, and inside there you literally have to park in a garage and walk, and baby, I was not trying to do that with no heels, and it's hot. So these are the sandals. These are the platform sandals that I'm going to wear. I'll leave a link for you guys down in the description box if anybody is interested and if I can still find it. This is a size 8, and I wear a size 7.5, but normally with these ones they did say to go up a size, so I just went up half a size so that my feet is not hanging out the back of the sandals. But normally for my heels I'll go 7.5 or 8 in women. So yeah, I'm gonna wear that. But the other dress option that I have is this. This is what this looks like. It has like a little belt in the front, and this fits me perfectly, but I'm gonna save it for another event. And this one, I got this in a size small, and this was $30, but it was originally $70. So they be having sales. They're like Instagram style boutiques, clothing. They do sell some shapewear in there too, but like I said, you can check the website, or if you're in Orlando, you can stop at Florida Mall and check out what they have. So this is the other dress. But yeah, I'm about to do my hair. I'm gonna show y'all doing my hair right now after I finish, you know, getting this situated. But I am currently editing the Epcot vlog. It's already done. I just have to wait for it to process. So I'm gonna do my hair. It's like 5 o'clock. I think my cousin might be coming around like 6:30. But I'm gonna do my hair, do my makeup. But I'm doing my hair first so that it can set, because I'm gonna do the bun and my edges, and I just needed to set for a little bit because it's a little bit hot outside. So I asked over on my Instagram, I did like a poll of which perfume I should wear, and it was between Angel Share, and I also had Tribeca on there. Is this Tribeca? No, this is Sundays. Let's see. Tribeca, or if I should mix Oriental Cedar, which is inspired by Mugler's Alien, and Ambery Saffron, which is inspired by MFK 540, and they voted for this combo. This is my favorite combo at the moment. You smell so warm, spicy, but also like a bad bee, like you got money, okay? So this is the combo perfume that I'm going to wear. And then I also am gonna wear these sunglasses, and then I'm going to wear these hoop earrings from Karen and Rita. I don't think she sells these anymore, but you can check the website. I leave the links to the earrings down in the description box, but it's mainly to the website so that you guys can go on there and pick whatever earrings you want yourself. But I don't think she sells these anymore, but she does still sell the It Girl hoops, which is what I was wearing in my Epcot vlog. So I'll leave links to these down below. But I'm going to wear these. These are the Betty Hoop earrings. And then I also got these cute bracelets from Saks Fifth Avenue. And they are supposed to look like some Clover Van Cleef dupe, but it's not. And it came as a set of 2. So I'll leave a link to those as well down in the description box. But I got these from Saks off 5th, which is the discounted store for Saks Fifth Avenue, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this one tonight. So yeah, let's do my hair.
Yeah, I find why I give you why you need me. I know what you like. I believe for me. Tell me that he gets that. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just don't live what I thought. I don't know why I don't know. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. Say no me the best of mine. I know me the feel. Say your body talk to me nice. Say no my love you didn't need for the life. Yeah, all the love to be like. Say you really do it every day and night. Yeah, if I leave you quiet. Yeah, if you leave I'm strong. Baby, loving your body, baby, as you're winding your body, baby, so crazy. Loving your body, baby, get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Everybody said, no one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Until the morning, I love you. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need.
All done with my makeup, my hair. I put my earrings on. I put a little necklace. I put the bracelet on. Makeup on point, hair on point. Here's the dress. Let me show y'all in the mirror. This is what the dress looks like, and then I have the sandals. But yeah, and then the bag. Oh, y'all ain't see the bag, but we cute. See y'all at Kavas. That's where I'm going to eat. Oh, maybe I should take a picture in front of This man done ate the whole ceviche.
Alright. You want chicken tacos, mama?
What's up, y'all? It's the next day. When I got home, I went and took a shower and then went to sleep because I was so tired. But I just wanted to show y'all what I got as a gift from my cousins. And the first thing I got is this pajama set from Target. Stars Above got the best pajamas. Soft, they do what they need to do, but this is what it looks like. It's like a two-piece set. All right, and then the next thing I got is this basket from my cousin. It has a Starbucks gift card, a Ulta gift card, a body wash from Philosophy. I love this brand. This is the body wash. It is coconut frosting. Let's see. It smells good. It don't smell like artificial coconut, which I love. So coconut frosting body wash. ever have too many body washes. And then a candle, maple wood pumpkin. So this is perfect for the fall. It smells just like maple syrup mixed with pumpkin. So this is the candle. Then the next thing is from my cousin as well, and it is 2 candles, orange and bergamot, and a body scrub. Is this a body scrub? A body scrub. And then I also got in here 2 face masks. Self-care. They know I love self-care. And then a card, which I'm gonna read later. And then from my aunt, I got my favorite gummy bears. These are my favorite gummy bears. A clip for my hair. A mug with my initial. And then I also got a card with 2 Starbucks gift cards and a Publix gift card. Gang gang.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo.
What's up, you guys? So today is Sunday and I'm heading to this restaurant to celebrate my cousin's birthday. I believe they should be on their way. We're about to park. You can wait for us to ask for parking now. So I guess they're parking right now, so I'm gonna take y'all with me inside. I did my makeup. I also got my nails done, which I showed y'all previously, but this is what they look like. They're so cute. They're like this baby pink French tip with some rhinestones on the 2 fingers. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get inside.
This is the restaurant.
What is it? Bulla Gastrobar. And what a part.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still saying what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They to my name for clickbait. They wanna start fake beef. Send a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta print this along. So for being tamed, I'd rather be wild. Suspended, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. And plus, you all hate me, bring my product. All of that talking, I'm calling it out. Calling good business for private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Look at the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash. This is a grouch. Seeing me win, ain't gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? From the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. 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 They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
If being hooked to YouTube was a person, this little girl watching YouTube. Why you don't color, huh? They didn't even give you no crayons to color, first of all. You don't want to color? No?
They didn't give any crayons.
It's 2 drinks.
Oh, I already drank one.
He already done one.
Oh my god.
Wow. What is this called?
Paella.
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 Seafood paella.
Bird.